afternoon, everyone. I'm here in front of you because I'm not back of you. I am here now to interview the 3 little children who will enter the camera. Thank you.
First candidate.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is... Abangkil. My name is Elpidio Abangkil.
Abangkil.
Yes.
Where do you live?
Sorry, thank you. I don't
What is your purpose in life?
My purpose in life is I want to live.
You want to live forever
I
for
want
life?
to live young.
Young?
Young.
Is Linda?
Not old.
Ole?
Play.
Can you introduce the others?
The others is Leah.
Where? Where's? You?
No. And the other one is Arjun. Hello, Ray. Good afternoon, everyone.
Talk to yourself, Dai.
I'm talking to myself. Myself. It's me. Yourself and myself. Thank you.
What about you, number 2? Talk to yourself.
I need an interpreter.
What kind of interpreter?
I didn't understand English. I need an interpreter.
So, dili ka kasabot og English, Dai?
Is my interpreter? Gaya na, Dai. Why you say ba? Sunggo ko, Dai.
Wow.
Saya, Dai.
Saya, Dai. Okay, Dai.
Saya, Dai.
Unsay imong ikasulti sa imong kaugalingon o sa puhon?
Para na ho. Ako kagalingon. Okay ra mo ako kagalingon.
Okay ra ka?
Ako
Oh,
na
lagot.
ako kagalingon. Ako nagkasuti sa kagalingon.
Okay ra mo?
Okay ra mo ako kagalingon. Ako tingin sa kagalingon.
Ikaw kaugalingon, okay na ka?
Kagalingon? I don't know how to speak English.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
How about you?
A little bit.
Your little bit?
Slight. Dahil ko na ba, Dahil?
Me? Imong sutor.
May tutor!
Tadadadan. Kam sutor.
Kam tutor!
Diko.
Diko tutor!
Hey, sutor.
Diko.
Hey, sutor, where are you?
Go back to the main game.
You're going home to the place where you belong.
Back to the main topic.
Hi.
Sad post. Dying post.
Interview na to, agi ka to nag-interview na to.
Okay. What is interviewing? Interviewing is the
gani pod. Sige ba?
What's your question?
Masay may kasulti sa imong kaugalingon.
What can I say to myself, others?
What can you told to yourself?
I told myself to told me. What? That tolling.
Sabi nilang?
That tolding to myself is a very nice tolding to others. Tama po na! Muna yung mag-i-school na kuya? Okay. Sorry na, God, yaw.
Pilingon. Project.
Muna pa na yung mag-i-school na din eh?
Project sa lagi, project. Video bang kiri?
Hi, Kale.
Hi, Kale. Say hi to camera. Hi to camera. Hi to camera. Hi, sir. Say hi. Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. Say hi to camera, sir.
Say hi to camera, sir. Hello, world.
Hi to camera.
Hi to camera. Hi, cam. Is it?
Hi, camera. Are you coming?
Hi to camera.